My father was lucky. He was just lucky that he was spotted by this Reserve Bank of India captain and was asked to come to Mumbai. Otherwise, he would have probably been happy here, probably in the audience here at the age of 82. Having played some local cricket tennis ball matches and never really recognized his dream. But that Reserve Bank of India captain who took him to Mumbai, that coach Manya Naik who gave him coaching at Wilson College, the great Vinu Mankad who said, "Beta, I will pay your Gymkhana fees." Because the Gymkhana had a fee, I think, that time of 5 rupees. But Vinu Mankad said, "This 5 rupees fee of the Gymkhana membership, I am making you a Gymkhana member today." The selector, Lala Amarnath, who chose him because he saw talent in him. Lala Amarnath was a great talent spotter. My father was playing an inter-university match against Pakistan. And there was a trial before the match. And one of the batsmen was hitting the, my father went into bat and played a few shots defensively. Lala Amarnath comes to him and says, "Beta, you are a very good defense. Thoda upar se maro." My father said, "Why?" He said, "ये बाकी जो selectors हैं ना, उनको cricket कुछ जानते नहीं है, वो ऊपर देखेंगे खुश हो जाएंगे." So he hit a few lofted shots. Lala Amarnath then convinced those selectors, "I want this boy to play for India." Now, how, to get someone like a Lala Amarnath who was ready to give you that opportunity to choose you at the age of 21. Then you go to the West Indies in 1962 as my father went, as a reserve batsman, young 22-year-old. You are at the other end and your captain is hit by a bouncer and almost dies, Nari contractor. So the next day, nobody in the team apparently wanted to bat because everybody was too scared. So Polly Umrigar goes to my father and says, "Just go and tell at the meeting that I am ready to open the batting." In Indian cricket, that's the only way you do it. You go there, you take your opportunity. When you get your opportunity, you seize it, and the rest is history. In 1971, my father's career was almost over. He was chosen as the last person on that cricket trip because Ajit Wadekar said, "I want someone who I trust." On the eve of the test match, he was not supposed to play. Vishwanath got fever, had to pull out of the match. My father got his chance. He scored the first Indian double century by an Indian in that match outside India. So it must be somewhere that there is luck. There is a God up there who has decided your time has come. But there is also the talent, the hard work, the skill, and the opportunities that people provide you that enables you to become true sporting stars. And if there were enough people like a Lala Amarnath or a Vinu Mankad in all aspects of our society who could provide young people opportunities to fly, we would become a better place.